we guide you through how to add PayPal to Shopify quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to settings at the bottom left corner and click payments. Under the payments section, look for PayPal. Shopify usually has PayPal Express checkout automatically set up using your store email. But if it's not activated, click activate. Next, log into your PayPal business account when prompted, or create one if you don't have it yet. Make sure it's a business account, not a personal. Once logged in, grant Shopify permission to connect your PayPal account, then confirm and return to your Shopify dashboard. After that, check the PayPal section again to ensure shows as active. To test it, go to your store, add a product to cart, proceed to checkout, and confirm the PayPal appears as a payment option. So that's it.